In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps. Now scroll again to click on Cloned Apps over here and tap on this little plus next to any available app you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on this bin icon next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!